I am fed up with cloud storage providers not including any type of encryption or placing it behind a paywall. It's exactly like walking around naked hoping no one's gonna see your crown jewels. So in this video, I'll show you how to encrypt your data before your cloud storage provider can even see it. This will even protect you if someone else gets access to your cloud, since all they would be able to see is this.
Ding bang ding dong, he's Stone Cold Aye!
So to set everything up, we'll need two things. First, you need to set up your cloud storage desktop app. Pretty much all providers have some version of it, so if you don't have it yet, just Google it and install it. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Drive as an example, and as you can see, everything that's stored online is on my PC as well. And as long as you can see your cloud files on your computer, this will work. And second, we need some way to encrypt all of the data. So for that, we'll be using a program called Cryptomator.
Okay, let's go.
Go to cryptomator.org and download it. It is completely free, by the way. After installing it, you'll see this window, and we don't even need to create an account here, which is very nice. To better understand what we'll be doing here, imagine Cryptomator as the middleman between your computer and your cloud storage. Usually, you give your files directly to your cloud storage provider, but if we are encrypting these files, you'll now be giving it to Cryptomator first, and after it encrypts these files, it will automatically upload them to the cloud. And Cryptomator will be the only link that can decrypt these files. If you try to see how they look in your cloud, you'll see something like this. So let's set it up. Click Add Vault here. Select Create New Vault and name it whatever you want. Here you need to select your cloud storage folder on your PC. For me, it's my Google Drive folder, but as I mentioned, this will work with any other service. Create a strong password and ask for a recovery key just in case you forget it. Save it somewhere safe and let's move on. Now you can click Reveal Drive. And as you can see, Cryptomator created a virtual drive on your computer. You can basically treat this exactly like any other drive or folder on your computer. The only difference is that Cryptomator will take these files, encrypt them, and upload them to your cloud folder. And I can actually go to my Google Drive folder and find my Cryptomator vault. So for me, that's a folder called whatever you want. And as you can see, there are some files here already. And these files are very important, so don't touch them just yet. If I go into this folder, then this, I'll be able to see my encrypted files. And to demonstrate, after I place some files into the Cryptomator drive, the encrypted versions of those files will appear in my Google Drive. Next, we need a way to decrypt these files on another device. And well, it's actually really simple. The same way we encrypted these files on one device, we'll be decrypting it on another device using Cryptomator. So do the same downloading and installing procedure on your second device, and once you reach this screen, click Add Vault, and now select Open Existing Vault. Of course, your cloud storage app must be installed on this device as well. So find your cloud folder and navigate your Cryptomator Vault folder. Select vault.cryptomator file and click Open. After that, click Reveal Drive, and that's it. You successfully encrypted and decrypted your files. And you can even access these files on your phone with the Cryptomator mobile app. The setup is exactly the same there, so I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. And of course, if you don't want some files to get encrypted, you can still use your cloud storage normally just by uploading stuff to it directly. But if you want to avoid all of this, I suggest using a cloud storage provider that has this type of encryption already built in. So check out one of my favorite providers by watching this video.